Alright, so I'm going to be cutting this tree down in the next couple weeks or so. I'm going to have to take this thing down. It's obviously too big. Planted it too close to the house. I didn't realize it was going to get this big and branchy. So before I cut it down now, I wanted to just show you what it's actually doing. So as you can see right here, you see this right here? That's coming out directly from the root. You see that? Those are suckers that are coming out from the root. If you look closely, you can see there's bunches of them. They're coming out all over that root system. They're also coming out over here. You know, there's another one that's coming up and out. And there's one coming out here by the root system. Where are you? Right there. Okay, so they're coming up like crazy from the root system. It's really spreading out. So even when I cut this tree down, I'm going to have a problem even afterwards. Yeah, I can keep breaking those things off, but it's going to be a problem even long after I cut this tree down. So what I'm going to end up having to do is cut it down somewhere as close as possible to the bottom. This trunk is already almost 12 inches in diameter just by looking at it. Might even be bigger than that. And this tree's what, maybe 5 years old now, 4 years old, and I got a 12-inch diameter trunk on this thing. It was a mistake that I planted it here, and a lot of people are saying that in one of the videos that I uploaded about it, but they're right. I didn't realize, though, how big this thing actually gets. I thought it was more of a straight type of a tree. I guess you could train it to do that, but once it gets to a certain point, it starts branching out. You could also see here all the little things that are coming off it. Now, if I wanted to save this tree for any reason, I could just take those little fresh suckers that are coming off and stick them in water and go plant them somewhere else. I'm not going to be saving this tree anymore, so I'm just going to be taking it down. But you can see it's absolutely enormous, and it needs to come down. It's really a problem, and if I leave it any longer, it's just going to get so big to the point where I'm going to have to hire a tree guy to take it down. So when I go to cut the tree down, I'll do a video on that, and I'll show you it coming down. So just wanted to show you what it's doing, some of the suckers that are coming up, and some of the problems I'm beginning to have with it. So that's that. Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.